Hello children, today I will discuss the chapter 2 from class 7. The chapter's name is Atmosphere. See, this book is belong from the ICSE board from class 7. Atmosphere. What is atmosphere? Define atmosphere and how many layers in the atmosphere. Okay. What is a greenhouse? What is a greenhouse? What is the effect of the greenhouse? What is the meaning of the greenhouse effect? Causes of greenhouse effects. There are so many causes. Okay. The next is global warming. What is a global warming? Global warming. What is the introduction of the global warming? And the efforts to prevent ozone depletion. What is the ozone depletion's impact of the global warming? Right. And the next topic is there are so many causes of the ozone layers, depletion of the ozone layers. How to reduce the global warming? There are so many points. I have marked there all the points. And then after I will show the exercise questions answer. This one I'm giving a question answer. Okay. The next is this one, atmosphere. The chapter is atmosphere. I have discussed, I have given all questions answers there. See, write any 2 points of compositions of the atmosphere. How many layers of the atmosphere? Name them. And the next is what is greenhouse effect and how does it lead to global warming? Name the major greenhouse gases and their sources. This is a very important questions. What is the ozone layer and why is it getting depleted? ओजोन लेयर क्या है और ये क्यों डिप्लीटेड हो जाता है? What is the ozone useful in the stratosphere? What are the chlorofluorocarbons? The shortcut name is a CFCs. This is very also important. The what is the full form of the CFCs? ये आता है. State the objectives of global warming and facilities. That means a GEF. GEF full form is a global environmental facility. State the effects of global warming on flora and fauna of the earth. State the effect of ozone depletion on the earth. Which gases is released from the use of the chemical fertilizer and the pesticides? In what ways does it affect of the atmosphere? स्टेट द वेज टू रिड्यूस द ग्लोबल वार्मिंग. ग्लोबल वार्मिंग की रिड्यूस को हम लोग कैसे रिड्यूस कर सकते हैं एंड हाउ कैन वी प्रिवेंट ओजोन डिप्लेशन. ओजोन डिप्लेशन को हम लोग कैसे प्रिवेंट कर सकते हैं यानी कैसे बचा सकते हैं. मैंने यहाँ पे सारे क्वेश्चंस दे दिए हैं चैप्टर्स 2 एटमॉस्फेयर से जो क्लास 7 से बिलोंग्स करता है. इससे आपको हेल्प मिल सकता है. थैंक यू चिल्ड्रेन. देन इफ यू वांट टू नो मोर वीडियोज़ देन प्लीज़ लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब.